Hello there, tech enthusiasts, and anyone curious about the future of artificial intelligence. Today we're diving into a rather intriguing topic: all the ways AI could suck in 2024. It's undeniable that artificial intelligence, or AI, has become the belle of the tech ball, the shiny new toy that everyone wants to play with. Its glitz and glamour have been touted far and wide, sparking an infectious excitement that is hard to ignore. But as we stand on the cusp of the year 2024, it's high time we look beyond the hype and delve into the potential. There's always a but, isn't there? With every advancement, every leap forward, there lurks an array of challenges that could potentially put a damper on AI's allure. AI has been celebrated for its potential to automate tasks, streamline processes, and increase efficiency. But on the flip side, this very attribute could lead to job losses, as machines take over roles traditionally held by humans. While this can drive economic growth on one hand, it could also lead to increased unemployment and social inequality on the other. Then there's the issue of AI being used as a tool for disinformation. In an era where fake news has become a buzzword, the ability of AI to generate convincing but false narratives is a significant concern. It's a double-edged sword that can either be used to educate and enlighten or to deceive and manipulate. And let's not forget about the impact of AI on the entertainment industry. While it can enhance user experiences and create tailored content, it can also make the industry more annoying by pushing unsolicited content based on predictive algorithms. Finally, there's the creep factor. With AI being integrated into policing technologies, there's an increasing concern about privacy and civil liberties. So, buckle up as we delve into the less glamorous side of AI in 2024. It's going to be a roller coaster ride, and we're just getting started. First on our list is the potential for AI to cause job loss. Now imagine a world where machines are doing everything from serving your coffee to driving your taxi. This is not a far-off sci-fi scenario, but a reality we are gradually moving towards. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is designed to mimic human intelligence. To learn, to problem solve, and to perform tasks more efficiently and accurately than humans. It's not hard to see why businesses are attracted to the idea of implementing AI. After all, machines don't need lunch breaks, they don't call in sick, and they don't demand raises. But what does this mean for us, the workers? If machines and AI-driven technologies can perform our jobs, what's left for us to do? The concern is that as AI becomes more advanced and more prevalent, it could lead to significant job losses across various sectors. Let's take the transportation industry, for instance. With the advent of self-driving cars and trucks, what will happen to all the taxi drivers and truckers? Similarly, in the retail sector, automated checkout systems and AI-powered customer service bots could mean fewer jobs for cashiers and customer service representatives. And it's not just these sectors. From manufacturing to healthcare, from finance to agriculture, no industry is immune. AI has the potential to replace human workers in a wide range of roles, leading to increased unemployment. Of course, it's not all doom and gloom. Some argue that while AI may replace certain jobs, it could also create new ones. Jobs that we can't even imagine today. But the transition could be painful, and there's no guarantee that those who lose their jobs to AI will have the skills needed for the new ones. So, while AI might bring efficiency and speed, it could also bring unemployment. As we continue to develop and implement AI, we must also consider the human cost and work to create solutions that benefit everyone. It's a delicate balance, but one that we must strive to achieve. After all, technology should serve humanity, not replace it. Scene script. Next, we're looking at AI's role in spreading disinformation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a double-edged sword. It's not just about smart home devices and self-driving cars. AI has a darker side too: its potential to generate and spread fake news or propaganda. Let's delve into this a bit further. AI has the ability to create something known as deepfakes. These are manipulated videos that can be almost impossible to distinguish from the real thing. Imagine a world leader saying something they never actually said, or a celebrity doing something they never actually did. Sounds like a plot from a dystopian novel, doesn't it? Yet, it's a reality we might have to grapple with. Deepfakes have the potential to manipulate public opinion on a massive scale. They can cause confusion, stir up controversy, and even incite violence. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. We've already seen instances where false information has led to real-world consequences. But it's not just about deepfakes. AI can also be used to generate fake news articles or even entire websites filled with disinformation. These AI-generated pieces can be so convincing that they pass as legitimate news, fooling even the most discerning readers. AI can also manipulate social media algorithms to spread this disinformation faster and wider than ever before. It can target specific demographics, pushing out content designed to manipulate their views and opinions. This is a powerful tool for those with malicious intent. We also need to consider the implications for democracy. Elections could be swayed and public opinion manipulated, all through the power of AI-generated disinformation. It's a chilling thought. The danger is real, and it's growing. As AI technology advances, so too does its potential for misuse. It's a stark reminder that every technological advancement comes with its own set of challenges and risks. We need to be vigilant. We need to educate ourselves and others about the potential dangers of AI-generated disinformation. And most importantly, we need to push for regulations and safeguards to prevent the misuse of this powerful technology. AI in the wrong hands could turn into a tool for misinformation. AI isn't just influencing our jobs and news, it's also making some waves in the entertainment industry. Let's take a moment to consider how our favorite pastimes might be affected. Artificial intelligence has the potential to significantly change the way we consume entertainment. One of the most notable ways is through personalization. AI algorithms are designed to learn from our viewing habits, the music we listen to, the books we read, and even the games we play. These algorithms then use this information to recommend content that they believe we would enjoy. Sounds great, right? Well, not always. This hyper-personalization can lead to an overload of targeted ads and recommendations. Imagine turning on your TV, only to be bombarded with a barrage of ads for products you've just glanced at online, or having your movie night interrupted with trailers for films that you might like. It can feel a bit like having a nosy acquaintance who keeps suggesting what you should watch, read, or listen to next. Moreover, this over-personalization can narrow our entertainment choices. The AI algorithms are so focused on feeding us with what they think we like, they often overlook the joy of discovering something new and unexpected. The serendipity of stumbling upon a great book in a genre you've never read before, or a band you've never heard of, can be lost in an AI-driven world of entertainment. Furthermore, these algorithms can lead to the creation of content that is designed to appeal to the lowest common denominator, potentially resulting in a homogenization of entertainment. The risk here is that we may end up in a world where every movie feels eerily similar, every song has the same catchy tune, and every book tells a familiar story. So, AI might be on the verge of over-personalizing and oversaturating our entertainment choices. As we move forward, it's crucial to strike a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities for personalization and preserving the diversity and spontaneity that make entertainment so enjoyable. Lastly, we're going to talk about something that might give you the chills: creepy police technologies powered by AI. As we delve into this, we uncover a world where artificial intelligence is not just about making lives easier, but also about intensifying surveillance. Imagine a world where AI-powered facial recognition systems are omnipresent, scanning faces in real time, matching them against vast databases. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? But it's not. It's a reality in some parts of the world today. This technology, while effective in identifying criminals, raises serious privacy concerns. The question is, are we comfortable living in a society where our faces are continually scanned and identified? Then there's predictive policing. Algorithms are being developed that can predict future crime hotspots and even potential perpetrators based on historical data. While this may sound like an effective way to prevent crime, it's also fraught with danger. What if the data is biased? What if innocent people are targeted based on flawed predictions? AI in law enforcement is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can make our communities safer. On the other, it can infringe on our rights and freedoms. So how do we strike a balance? How do we harness the power of AI without sacrificing our privacy? AI could potentially turn our world into a dystopian reality with its use in surveillance. The conversation around AI and law enforcement is just beginning, and it's one we should all be a part of. Well, that wraps up our discussion on the potential downsides of AI in 2024. We've delved into the hype and pitfalls, job losses, disinformation risks, impacts on entertainment, and the creepiness of police technologies. It's clear that while AI holds great promise, it's not without its share of concerns. As we navigate this technology-infused future, it's crucial we keep these potential pitfalls in mind. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these potential AI pitfalls did you find most surprising or concerning? Share your thoughts in the comments below.